They start young, and they stay young. The passion is real. The agony is inevitable. But they all share a common drive, the drive to win. Competing in one of the most unique forms of motorsport on the planet. These athletes put their skills, their bodies, and their sanity to the test. The phrase gentleman's racing has no place on their racetrack, and they like it that way. The Stadium Super Trucks has captured the imaginations of thrill seekers across the globe, while also attracting a wide range of skilled drivers ready to get behind the wheel of these life-size Traxxas trucks. Their bodies have paid the price, and they have the scars to prove it. These modern-day gladiators have traded in their sword and shield for a 650-horse chariot. The new generation has become the teacher. From the streets of Surfers Paradise, Australia, to the city of Sin, drivers young and old, spanning across the globe. This is their arena. These are your Stadium Super Trucks.